you optimize the cost and scalability of your SharePoint framework solutions on Azure using, Azure Functions and Azure CDN to be precise?
Right. So mostly it is like whenever we are dealing with SharePoint or maybe a SharePoint framework, obviously to get the quicker responses, we need to use the CDN. So we just call it as a content delivery networks. So for example,
Okay.
if you have got all of your resources, for example, if you want to render any of your file, or maybe if you have got any CSS or JavaScript kind of a thing, those can be rendered easily from those CDNs, so that those are powerful, through which you will be able to get the data quickly. And again, one thing is that they provide you with caching. Caching, that means every time the request will not go to the server, it will
Hmm.
be cached into the CDN, and then that cached version will be returned back to you. But again, there are some catches as well.
Okay.
Whenever you probably deploy the new changes, you need to flush out the entire cache. Otherwise, even with your new deployment, you're probably getting the old code back. Okay, so those are the things. But yeah, miss, and again, when it comes to the optimization part, as I said again, we just need to make sure that all of the resources that we are allocating, we should release them whenever we are not going to use them. At least nowadays, we have got so many tools available that can analyze your code, and then it can
Hmm.
detect the possible
Yeah.
issues.
Yeah.
But again, I will say, based on what kind of an technology or what kind of a language that you are using for developing your applications, go ahead and try out all those try out all those tools, so that you can make sure that the application that you are writing, those are performant, and again, it will not break your systems.